Hi guys, it's Kim. I'm coming to you today with an unboxing, and this is exciting because it's part of a new project that I was chosen to be a part of, and we're calling it the Dafi support team, which is the Disabled Artists Foundation Incorporated. And Miss Kathie Volante has done this amazingly generous thing and has selected five artists and then plus herself to receive kits, and she's doing this at her own personal expense. So she's sending out all of the supplies, and then we are to use what's in the mailing that we get to create the projects. And each mailing has enough supplies for 3 kits, and this is the first one. So there's some other great people that are doing this with me, and I will list them in the description box. But it's Kathie Volante, Toika Smith, Meridel, who is the Mary Atelier, and then it is Lisa, who is Lisa My Eclectic Life, and Jean Peter, who is Jean Peter Artist, and myself and Kathie. So I hope that you guys will check out the videos and see what we're getting, because the purpose of this is once we put the kits together, we are going to then mail them to Hart, who is the chairman of the board for Dafi, and she will have them to sell in her auctions. So it's a way to generate more money for the organization. So super exciting. So let's see what we got. This is the first mailing. I'm just going to kind of do a dump it on my desk situation here. And some of us might be putting some of these together live, so check back to those channels too, and you might be able to watch us and see what we're putting together. So this is a lovely package of sari pieces. So you can see there's 5 in here. And who doesn't love sari? Really pretty. And then we've got, this is one of the projects. It's a wooden trinket box. And I think this is going to be the one that I make first. And I believe I'm going to load it with some goodies as well. So it's a wooden trinket box. That's one of the projects. And then here is another one of the projects, and it is this dress form. And then I think this is the last project, and this is a lace book. So let me put that to the side and I'll show you what else. So we've got some lace here, some pretty white lace. We've got some of this pretty, it's kind of like a meshy aqua. We've got some really cute flower, looks like vintage ribbon. We have got some doily pieces. We've got this, these are appliques, very pretty. Love this flower. And then let's see, we've got some butterfly appliques and a blue doily piece, pineapple. And we've got this piece, and that's super cool. Look at that. Really cool. We've got some pearls. I'm a girl who loves my pearls, so I know I'll use those. We've got some of these pretty trims. These are like an ivory. And then we've got a piece of this. I'm going to take this out of the bag to show you. It's this really pretty, sorry for the crinkling, really pretty lace trim, but what's so special about it is it's got the Aurora Borealis crystals on it. I don't know if you can see the shine on that, but it is like super, super shiny. So that's a really, really pretty piece of trim. Then we've got, I don't even know if I can fit it in camera, it's this huge, they're fabric samples from Longburger, who you guys know make the baskets. Those are really pretty. And then finally we have, I'm assuming this is everything that she wants us to use, even though we can use any of it on anything, she said. This looks like the fabric book. Yep, and this is the fabric book. And then we've got, this looks like a whole bunch of, let's see, shall we, doilies and trims. Ooh, we've got some beaded trim, pretty. And then we've got, oh, that's a pretty piece. And then some gingham fabric, which I love. Some smaller fabric pieces. It's a pretty rose color. It's not like your normal baby pink, it's like a rose color. And then this pretty trim. This looks like it was dyed. That's awesome. And then a little piece of white ribbon, and then this really cute doily. And then there's more. This is obviously more than you're going to need for this fabric book. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send any supplies that I don't use with the finished projects to Care, so she can use them for the auctions as well. This is another piece of sari, and more sari, and more sari. And then this is a really pretty piece. And then we've got some trim. Some more. This piece is gorgeous. Look at that. Love that. And then this is a really pretty vintage piece from a doily. Look at that crochet on the bottom. So, so pretty. And then there's still more. We've got some white trim. We've got some blue flowers. We've got some baby pink rosettes. And we've got some white and pink trim, some more little rose lace trim. So that is everything that we've got. I couldn't even probably put it all in the screen, but we've got all of this, plus the sari, plus the fabric, plus all this yumminess, plus the dress form, and the wooden trinket box. So those are 3 kits, the design materials, which is more than generous. That's extremely generous. Thank you so much, Kathie, for doing this. And I hope that you will keep looking out for our videos, because we'll be filming the videos for the unboxings when we get the kits. And then we'll either be doing videos for our finished projects, or tutorials, or lives. And then once you see the finished items, you can look for them in Hart's auction. So again, I'll list everybody's links to who's participating in this in the description box. And I want to say thank you to Kathie and Care for putting this together. I appreciate it, and I'm excited to see these in the auctions coming up. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.